December 1st, 2023 through May 1st, 2024.
Good morning, Judge and Commissioners.
Good morning.
On the second day of the 2024th year of our Lord, may we recognize Him and His laws. Those are the laws that Thomas Jefferson placed on the first sentence of U.S. law, and those laws are that no human laws should be suffered to contradict these creation in the Bible. I am here to clarify for which laws we are considering payment of accrued compensatory time and overtime, rules of law or rules of man. To identify which, at our founding, we the people wrote a public trust document in 1787 that protected our right to free action. This was before there were any legislators, executives, or judiciary. After this document was ratified, we then hired, via our vote, legislators, executives, and judiciary to explicitly enforce the Constitution trust as written. As most in this room know, trust can only be changed with the authority of those who wrote them. They cannot be modified by those hired to protect and enforce them. In these biblical times in which we seem to be living, it seems we have strayed far from the rule of law and our God-given unalienable rights that our founders gave us. People in Smith County and across America have been arrested and jailed for not wearing face masks. People have been given jail time and excessive bail for victimless crimes.
Mr. Brewer, we're considering comp time,
continuing to adjudicate and enforce our laws one way or the other.
I just want you to address the issue, not the face mask. It's actually, we're talking
I'm talking about violation of the rule of law, the right of free action that our founders gave us before there was even a court, an executive, or a legislature. So I'd like to reclaim at least some of my time. For victimless people and members of their families have been removed from them without common law remedy as specified in the 7th Amendment. These and many other occurrences demonstrate just how far we have gotten away from the rule of law. As most of you know, we are now in election season. Those we elect will swear an oath to protect and defend our Constitution. I have in my hand more than 300 questions that must be answered correctly for an oath to be sworn to guarantee that our rule of law is protected. I would like the people of Smith County to utilize these or similar questions to vet candidates that they soon will be voting for. Positions for sheriff, county commissioners, judges, and constables are most important, to be verified that they know the oath and the rule of law to which they will swear. I would like each of you, before you leave this building, to answer at least 10 questions. The true and false questions can be answered in a matter of minutes that are integral to your oath of office. 2 people on this court have taken my class, the Constitution Boot Camp with Bob Hilliard, and we're very excited about it. Our Senator Brian Hughes passed a law in 2004 that all of our federally funded education organizations are supposed to hold a program. I would like to reinstitute that. I would like this body to be integral in that, and I pray that you will each certify that you know your oath for which you will be swearing, so that all Smith County voters can be confident in who they cast their vote.
Thank you, Mr. Brewer.
Thank you.
And you caught me on a really good feeling because this is 2024, but you ventured way off. And are you in favor of us using comp time in the and overtime in the district attorney's office?
Are we funding the rule of law, which I am for, or are we funding the rule of man, which I am adamantly against? That is the question before this body, and that is what must be answered.
All right, thank you, Mr. Brewer. All right.